A very warm good morning to this wonderful gathering. I am Aradhya Sahu, a student of class 8, and today I want to talk about something that can transfer an ordinary dream into an extraordinary reality. Believe in yourself. We often search for confidence in the appliances of others when the real source for confidence lies within us. There will be moments when we feel uncertain, moments when failure whispers, "You can't." But remember, doubt is just a question, your courage is the answer. You don't need to be flawless. You don't need anyone's approval. You simply need the audacity to begin, the reliance to continue, and the faith to believe that you can. So don't need anyone else's opinion to become the limit of your potential. Dream broadly, walk fearlessly, believe reverently, because sometimes the only person standing between you and your dreams. So the person in the mirror, so look into that mirror and believe. Thank you.